In this triangle ACD and PDC, this angle C is equals to 90 and D is also 90. There are two angles are 90 and two angles are corresponding angle because this line is parallel lines. G means AE is parallel to PF is parallel to BG. So if in the coordinate of P is x comma y, then how we calculate the value of x and y here? Now then in triangle, then AP is equals to m, that is AP upon PB. PB is equals to AC upon PD. PD is equals to PC upon DD. D. These are with the help of similar triangle. The help of similar triangle theorem. With the help of similar triangle theorem, and this distance we know, this is x minus x1, this is y minus y1, this is x y2 minus y, and this is x2 minus x. So putting these values here, this is m upon m is equals to AC, this is x minus x1 upon x minus x2, x2 minus x is equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. Okay, now first two half, first this is for example first term, this is second term, this is third term. So we want to take the first relation in between these first two. So using these two here, by cross multiplying this value, this is multiplied here, then mx2 minus nx is equals to, this n is multiplied here, nx minus mx, x1 into n. Okay, now then here is, this is term here and this part is left hand side, therefore mx2 plus nx1 is equals to mx plus nx. Okay, now x is common from the, x is common from here, that is x, and here is m plus n. Okay, and in the left hand side is m x2 plus n x1. Okay, now m plus, divide left hand side by m plus n, that is here is m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and this is x is in the right hand side, so we put here in left hand side, that is x. It means this is the value of for x. Okay, now here is for taking first and last, we are taking these two parts here, that is m upon n is equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. Then by cross multiplication by the similar way, then here is m y2 minus m y is equals to n y minus n y1. Similarly, this value will come in the left hand side, for this is right hand side. Therefore, m y2 plus n y1 is equals to y is common, then m plus n is here. Then again m, this left hand side is divided by m plus n, then y is equals to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. It means the value of x and y with the help of section formula is, that is x, the value of x is this one and the value of y is this one. So this is the section formula to find this. Now then here is the next point is the third point is to find the area of a triangle. Already we discussed in previous classes, either in class 9, 8, 7, what in which class, anyone. Then with the help of mensuration we discussed this area, like area of the triangle ABC is 1 upon 2 base into height. Already we know. In class 9th, with the help of, this is formula number 1. In class 9th, another formula is, we already discussed, area of the triangle ABC is equals to root s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where a, b and c are the sides of a triangle and s is a semi-perimeter. It means a plus b plus c upon 2. This is the semi-perimeter. It means sum of the side is divided by 2, then it is called semi-perimeter of a triangle. First formula we have already discussed, second formula is already discussed, and isoscalene triangles formula is this third formula is, that is area of the triangle ABC for an isoscalene triangle, that is b upon 4 into root 4 a square minus b square. All are with square units. Already this formula is already we discussed in previous classes. Now, but today's our problem is this one. In coordinate geometry, there is no side is given. Here is coordinates are given. For example, this is a triangle here, and their coordinate is A, B, C, and its points are, suppose, x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. These are three coordinates. Either points A is x1, y1, the coordinate of B is x2, y2, and the coordinate of C is x3, y3. Now, how we find the area of this triangle? So, in a very simple manner, I want to try to tell you, anyone you can start. We are starting from point A. So here is point A, their coordinate is, we know, area of a triangle ABC is equals to, we want to find the area of this triangle. Now the coordinates of point A is x1, here is y1. The coordinate of B is x2 and y2, x2 and y2. The coordinate of point C is x3 and y3. And the first coordinates, which are those we are starting, this coordinates also written at the last also, this is x1 and y1. These are the points of this triangle ABC, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and at the first coordinates once again we write at the last places. Now, how we find area? Area of the triangle ABC. This is the easiest way to find the area. So 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2 already we are discussed like here. Then area of this. Now the coordinate x1 is multiply here this way. x1 y2. x1 y2. Then plus x2 y3, x2 y3 plus x3 y. These are the points with positive sign. Now, then these points, the product of these, this is upward direction, the product of these with negative sign. So we can write here minus, and minus is here, then y1 x2 in bracket y1 x2 plus, because here is with the negative sign, so minus is reflected here. Similarly here with also minus sign, plus y2, because minus is outside here, so y2 x3, y2 x3 plus, at the last is this one also minus with negative sign, y3 x1 plus y3 x1. This is the area of triangle. Okay, this is the easiest way to find the area of this triangle. One examples we can take here. For example, this is the coordinates of, this is, we take here another triangle and their coordinate is 1, 2, 4, 5, और 7 comma 7 oh इधर here is 7 comma 0. Here is 7 comma 0 and here is, for example, here 0 comma 5. Okay, this is a triangle and their coordinates is a. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point H. If we want to find the area of these triangles, we discuss like this. First of all, we write the coordinate of here. Here is 1 comma 2, 0 comma 5, 7 comma 0, and here is the coordinate of first is 1 comma 2. Okay, now area of the triangle, area of the triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 is product of this 1 into 5, that is 1 into 5 plus 0 into 0 plus 7 into 2 minus 2 into 0, 2 into 0, this is with negative sign, then minus 5 into 7, 5 into 7 minus 0 comma 1, 0 comma into 1. Okay, now this is equals to 1 upon 2, this is 5 plus 0 plus 14 minus 0 minus 35 plus 0. Okay, now this is 19, 35 minus 19, 1 upon 2 into 35 minus or plus 19, then 16 is left, so minus 16 upon 2 is minus 8. Then but in a coordinates, if area will come with negative sign, we take its absolute value, it means with positive sign, then their area is square, 8 square unit. Okay, their area is, here is negative but area is always with positive side. Okay, now so I hope children, every student is understand these 3 points we are discussed today. First point is midpoint, second point is section formula, or third point is area of a triangle. If quadrilateral is here, then we can joint, suppose here is a, this is point, here is, this is a quadrilateral, and this is point D, and this is X4 and Y4. This triangle, this is a quadrilateral, then we find the area of the quadrilateral with the same manner, area of this triangle plus area of this triangle, and we joint together. So area of the triangle, there are different formulas here written, but in coordinate geometry we are doing with this formula. This is the easiest way, and in briefly we can take Oman's also, which is written in textbooks, but I hope this formula is the easiest way to find their values. Now one more thing, if in this scenario the area of triangles comes is equals to 0 in any case, then the coordinate of ABC is always in a straight line. It means the points are collinear. If the area of a triangle is 0, then the points are known as a collinear points. So we discussed in previous lecture distance formula. Okay, distance formula we already discussed. there are two methods to prove the collinear points. With the help of distance formula we can use. We can find the area of the triangles. If triangles area is equals to 0, then the points are collinear points. I hope students you understand these points. You can understand these all 3 points for we are discussed today. If you understand very well, you thought that this is beneficial for us, so I hope every student is share this video to all the Sanskaram group of school, so that they get benefits and to one steps go ahead for every student. Okay, thank you.